పోతానంటివో పోతానంటివో వగలు పలుకుతావే కట్టమింద పోయే అలకల సిలక బలే కొంది బాల తనియదాన 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 మండే పొల పొలనై కాబలే కొంది బాల పోతానంటివో పోతానంటివో వగలు పలుకుతావే పోతానంటివో పోతానంటివో వగలు పలుకుతావే కట్టమింద బల కట్టమింద పోయే అలకల సిలక బలే కొంది బాల తనియదాన తనియదాన నమో నారాయణ أشهد أن لا
respected principal sir, and the guests present on the dais, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. Today is an auspicious day for Indians. We are gathered here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day. I am privileged to speak a few words on this occasion. On this day, our constitution came into force in 1950. As we have all seen, and also we know that our country is a place of different languages, religion, caste and culture. Each region is unique in itself. There are so many beautiful places that have colorful sceneries that help us relax and let us live happily. Though we have many differences within ourselves, our country lives in peace as we follow the policy unity in diversity. Doing good to fellow men is equivalent of doing good to God, says the Hindus. Love thy neighbor as thyself, says the Christians. Even though if you have to lose your life, serve others, says the Muslims. As we all have the same goal, let us keep apart all the differences and embrace harmony amongst mankind. Let us love all and live for all. Happy Republic Day and Jai Hind.
నీ ధర్మం నీ సంఘం నీ దేశం నువ్వు మరవద్దు. జాతిని నడిపి నీతిని నిలిపిన మహనీయులనే మరవద్దు, మహనీయులనే మరవద్దు. చాపకూడుతో సమతను నేర్పిన నాటి పలనాటి బ్రహ్మన్న, మేడి పండులా మెరిసే సంఘం గుట్టు విప్పెను వేమన్నా. వితంతువుల విధిరాతలు మార్చి బ్రతుకులు పండించే కందుకూరి, తెలుగు భారతిని ప్రజల భాషలో తీర్చిదిద్దెను గురజాడ. ఆ సంస్కర్తల ఆశయరంగం నీవు నిలిచిన సంఘం, నీవు నిలిచిన ఈ సంఘం. నీ ధర్మం మరవద్దు, జాతిని నడిపి నీతిని నిలిపిన మహనీయులనే మరవద్దు. స్వతంత్ర భారత రథ సారథి అయి సమరాన దూకె నేతాజీ, సత్యాగ్రహమే సాధనమని స్వరాజ్యమే తెచ్చే బాపూజీ. గుండుకెదురుగా గుండె నిలిపెను ఆంధ్రకేసరి టంగుటూరి, తెలుగు వారికొక రాష్ట్రం కోరి ఆహుతి ఆయను అమరజీవి. ఆ దేశ భక్తులు వెలసిన దేశం నీవు పుట్టిన భారతదేశం, నీవు పుట్టిన ఈ దేశం. నీ ధర్మం నీ సంఘం నీ దేశం నువ్వు మరవద్దు. జాతిని నడిపి నీతిని నిలిపిన మహనీయులనే మరవద్దు, మహనీయులనే మర.
Good morning to respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today is an auspicious day for all Indians as we all celebrate Republic Day. We are all 10th class students performing a skit on Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution has come into force on 26 January in 1950. Do you all know the chairman of drafting committee and architect of Constitution?
No, we don't know.
He is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Then let us know more about Indian Constitution. Dad, we all are going to Goa on college trip. Can I go? No. All my friends are going. No need of going. Go and sit at the room. Dad? Yes, my dear son. Dad, we are going to Goa on college trip. Can I go? You can. I want some money. Sure. What is this, Dad? You are allowing brother to go but not me? He is a boy. Don't I have any right to go anywhere? Yes, you have right to equality. As per Indian Constitution, everyone has a right for equality. Can't you walk properly? I can walk, but I can't see. If you can't see, why are you walking on the road? Go and sit in your home. Yes, I am blind, but don't I have right to walk on road? Yes, you have right to freedom. Indian Constitution has given everyone right to freedom. Rama Rama Hare Hare. Why are you praying here? You are disturbing everyone. What will happen if you pray here? This is not your place. This is our place. Go from here. Why we should? Why are you praying here? Every day we pray here. What happened today?
You don't have right to pray here.
We have a right to pray here.
You don't.
Don't we have a right to pray as per our religion? Yes, you have. As per Indian Constitution, everyone has right to religion.
That I have got good marks, I want to study further.
No need of studies and don't go to college.
Don't I have right to educate?
Yes, you have right to education. As per Indian Constitution, every child. Why they are fighting? Stop it! Why you both are fighting and they are laughing? Right against exploitation. Whenever we see the violence, we approach it, we should stop it. Constitution has given fundamental rights for every citizen of India. Right to equality. Right to freedom. Right to education. Right against exploitation. Right to religion. Right to constitutional remedies. Pledge on Indian Constitution.
We the people of India,
We the people of India,
having solemnly resolved to constitute
India into a
sovereign,
socialist,
secular,
democratic
republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social,
economics,
and political liberty of thoughts, expression,
belief,
faith, and
worship,
equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unit and integrity of the nation. In a Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
This Constitution.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.